Hello, my dear friends. Today I tell you about online jobs and how to earn from home. Would you like to work from home, putting in the hours you want? Does the idea of working on your own terms appeal to you? How about if I told you that you could earn a substantial income each and every week, working from the comfort of your own home? Does this sound appealing to you? Today, I would like to introduce you to an amazingly simple method to work from home on your own terms, for a substantial and immediate cash return every single day. And this method is online data entry jobs. Data entry jobs include in typing, clerical, secretarial, word processing, desktop publishing, freelance writing, scheduling, administrative assistant, bookkeeping, order entry, data processing, medical transcription, translation, proofreading, editing, telemarketing, claims processing, and much, much more. Literally, countless of data entry companies need stay-at-home workers, both full-time and part-time hours to suit you, to carry out on their behalf a multitude of tasks that can be carried out remotely by someone just like yourself. Whether you live in the middle of a large city or far from civilization, whether you're a teenager or advanced in years, there are thousands of positions available to work at home for you right now, if you know where to find these companies that are hiring immediately. Sure, you can go online and approach companies one at a time that might be employing stay-at-home workers. But this could be equally time-consuming and frustrating, never mind dealing emotionally with rejections. What you need is a bang up-to-date directory at your fingertips, a reference guide that you can get immediate results. Something that you can look at instantly to see which companies need your skills straight away. Companies that are prepared to pay you handsomely for the skills that you bring to the table. Wouldn't that be awesome? Companies that right at this very moment are prepared to pay you a premium extra income for helping them to make more profit. What not to expect from these jobs. You will not be part of a downline or upline scam. You will not be part of any type of MLM or pyramid. You will not have to answer or read emails for pay. You will not have to convince anyone to join our site. You will not have to deal with adult material. You will not have to own a website. You will not have to deal with customers. This online data entry jobs directory ebook is bigger and better than ever before, with brand new and fully updated current listings. Grab your copy today. Join now. Click the link in description. Is video useful? Like, recommend this video. Subscribe to our channel.